time for tonight's very special ceremonial merchandise. We have this incredibly real.
August 2009, a quadriplegic team named Patrick.
The original idea was we were going to surf next to each other. And then at the end of one of the waves, we stopped at the beach, and Ricky jumped on her board and then jumped on my board.
It was like they had been surfing together forever. And at that moment, I realized this is what Ricochet is here to do.
For Ian McFarland, surfing was a gift from father to son. Todd McFarland had Ian on board as soon as his boy could swim. Ian is 10 years old now. Through therapy, he's working hard to recover as much motor function as he can. But in terms of surfing, going back to the beach has been difficult.
What did you think about going back into the water?
Well, first I was a little scared, and Ricochet helped me not be scared anymore.
Ian only got back on his board when Ricochet got right behind him. They've been surfing together for the past 3 years.
He was so excited that the excitement kind of replaced the fear that he had.
I think it was just pure joy all the way around for everyone. Just seeing Ian back in the water and excitement that maybe Ian could surf again.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ian McFarland, Patrick, and Ricochet. Whenever you're ready, boys. Well done. Ian McFarland, Patrick, and Ricochet.
Hey, Ricky!
All right, man, got your pencils, pens, and scorecard.